Partnership accounts. You should already be familiar with a capital account for a sole trader. For partners in a partnership, they will have two accounts. One is still called a capital account. For partners, it is usually fixed and only alters where a permanent change in capital occurs. Usually it only changes when a partner joins, retires, or a new partner is added. The other account is a current account. This is a fluctuating account where amounts will be added and deducted more regularly than a capital account. Don't confuse a partnership current account with a bank current account. They're quite different. The balance on each of these accounts will usually be a credit balance, just like the capital account for a sole trader. The entries on the current account will be the opening balance, usually a credit. If the partnership allows it, the partner's salaries will be posted to the credit side. Some partnership agreements allow for interest on the balance of their capital account. If it is, this will also be shown as a credit. The most usual entry on the credit side of a current account is the share of the profit made by the business. How this profit is shared will be shown in the partnership agreement. Now let's look at the debit side. The most common entry will be drawings. This can be in cash, or it can be when a partner takes goods for their own use. Sometimes the partnership agreement will charge interest on drawings. This is usually to discourage partners taking too much cash out of the business early in the year when the business may be short of cash. If the business makes a loss, the share of the loss, in the same proportion as the share of the profits, will be shown in the debit side of the account. Finally, the balance carried down will usually be shown on the debit side of the account. Occasionally, you will come across a debit balance in a current account. This is when the partner has taken out more than his or her share of the profits. The partner's capital account will appear on the statement of financial position. The assets and liabilities will be shown as before, but the capital section will be a little more detailed. Each partner will be shown separately. Each partner's capital account will be shown separately and in total. Then, each partner's current account will be shown separately. The figure in brackets here represents a debit balance, and in total. And finally, a grand total for each partner and a grand total for everything. Thank you for watching this Premier Training tutorial.